Hi everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. I'm back. Been gone for a while. I think it's been 3 weeks. Christmas kind of got away from me this year. I just couldn't get things done. Decorating, shopping, wrapping, putting up the tree, all that stuff. But we had a great Christmas Eve. My kids and all my grandkids were here. And it was a lot of fun. We enjoyed it, being together. And Christmas Day, I went to my daughter's. We had dinner. New Year's Eve, I didn't do anything. I did watch the ball drop. Somehow I kept myself awake. And New Year's Day was quiet. So now we're back in a new year, 2024. I'm looking forward to it. I think I have a few good ideas coming up, but we'll talk about that later. Right now, I want to show you, we're going to do a flip through. This was the traditional family holiday recipe journal that we made. Great book to keep all your precious recipes from the holidays in. Family recipes, your mom, your grandmothers, whoever cooks. So this is a cover. I added a few little items, a rolling pin, a baking pan, 2 buttons, which I used my glossy accents on this, and turned out it was so old, it's very thick. So I need a new bottle of glossy accents. I had a little trouble getting it on there, but it dried fine. It's shiny. It'll work. Okay, so that's the front cover. Back cover is plain. Now what I usually do on these, I open it out like this. I take it outside, or I put it in a box and open the windows. And I put 2 very thin coats of a clear coat on it. Because this is printed, I print all my paper. So this is printed on an inkjet printer. You don't want it to get wet because it could run the colors. So by coating it with 2 thin coats of clear coat, you avoid that problem. And also helps you keep it clean. So that's usually what I do. Okay, on the inside we have these, I made these 2 pockets. Hope you can see. I'm a little out of practice here. These are 2 pockets that I made to keep extra pockets to put in the journal where I think I need them. I don't want to put them all in now because I don't know where I'm going to want them. And I have some extra recipe cards. So they'll go in the journal. It's very basic, very plain. There's only 2 types of pages, or 3 types actually. This one for a recipe from the kitchen of. And then there's this type, just the plain white, says recipe on it. So here I put a pocket. I cut out some ephemera, put little spoons on there. This is one of the pockets I was talking about. I put a recipe card in there, so if you have a coordinating recipe to go with the main one, you can add that in here. I also have this notepad that I had made years ago. I figure I might as well use it up. This would be good for notes or another recipe or something someone wants to write about the day. And then you have this room for photos of the food, photos of the family enjoying the food, whatever you want to put in there. So that's one of the pockets. So that's page 2. And then here we have the plain coffee dyed papers, printed on my computer, not actually coffee dyed. And then it just continues. So you have plenty of room for plenty of recipes in here. There are 18 sheets times 4 is 72. So you have 72 pages to use. You can split it up by putting little tabs, like one for Christmas, one for Easter, special barbecue recipes that your family uses. So you can split it up. There's plenty of room. So as you can see, I put some pockets, I didn't put them all in. These are the buffalo plaid pocket that I made. Here's another little bit of ephemera. A baking pan, a muffin pan, or a cupcake pan. And it just continues. This page I just printed on here a little ribbon decoration. And we have some more pockets going on here. Here's a blue one, kind of matches this with the recipe card and the paper. Here's another one. This is the plaid from the front. When I based this plaid, I was looking for a plaid that would match the Better Homes and Gardens cookbook from years ago. And that was as close as I could get, but I think it's pretty good. That's what I was going for. And what do we have? A few more plain pages. And here you can just do whatever you want. Put your own recipe cards on here. Written recipes from your family, your grandmother's recipe that's written out somewhere. Scan it in or put the original. Here's another plain page. Here's that cookbook I was talking about. Here's another pocket. Whoops, I didn't put a recipe card in that one. Let me get rid of one. And what else do we have in here? I kept it very basic. I figured, as I use this, I will add more of the pockets. If I find some more ephemera, I'll put it in. Maybe some food pictures. That's the way I figured I would use it. And these are extra. These were that page from the recipes. I had extras. I did pretty good on printing paper this time. I didn't print too much. So this can be used either as an extra recipe. I will just cut it out around the edge and glue it on a page. Or I can just cut off the whole top and just use this in other journals for journaling. So I just put those in the back. Here's another pocket back here. I put 2 journal cards. You can put whatever you want in there. Photos, family photos, holiday photos. Here's another one of those little cookbooks. And that's it. So it's very basic, very simple to make. Just go to my channel, find the videos, I'm making it. I think there are 3 total videos to make the book. And try your luck. Fun to have, great to look through. Straighten out my pocket here. And that's it. So, I'll be back very soon. I won't have this big leg in the middle, I promise. I'm gonna get back to videoing probably every 4 days, like I was before. I'd also have naked nails. Took off all the nail polish, giving them time to breathe. And anyone who does their nails a lot, when you keep them polished, they begin to turn color. They get yellow. So I leave the polish off every couple of months and just let them breathe and clear out. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you like this video. If you want to make one of these, like I said, just go to my channel in the paper closet. And the videos are there. 3 videos to make the whole book. Okay, please hit the like button if you like this video. Help me get more subscribers and views. And also hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be notified when the next video is up. I'm going to be coming up. I have a twist on a junk journal. Little hint, no sewing is involved at all. Okay, so thank you for coming, and I'll see you soon. Bye.